Morning, welcome to Parrot. 欢迎来到 Parrot. I'm Gabriel. Today we're going to another Parrot Freefly in the Philippines. Hila is the best. Can you see it? Full of feather dust from Luffy. Luffy 身上的鱼粉太多了，相比起来，哎，能吧？能吧？ If you compare African Grey to Hyacinth, African Grey has way more feather dust than Hyacinth. I can assure you. 如果你比较紫蓝金刚和灰舞的话，那灰舞的鱼粉简直就是太多了。紫蓝金刚可以说基本没有鱼粉。走吧 ，Let's go， 走了啊。
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh. This is the place I like the most in the north. Down Palette, Mega Deck. Yeah, you can see the sea. It's good. It's good. Both sides, there's seas. And also, the only problem for this place is that if your birds get lost, you have to drive a long way to try to retrieve them. But I still like this place. I think the birds like this place because it's pure, flat, quiet. But no, of course, it's Saturday, a lot of people. But still, one of the best sites. I like the most. Let's fly. Wow. You've seen it 1,000 times, you still want to see more. Buffon is coming. Yeah, Buffon's back. Fly a little bit and come back. Yeah, it's either one. Otherwise, we'll be worried. Noah's still flying. Noah's happy today, really. He's trying to fly longer. Yeah, even not higher, but at least longer time. Yeah, he likes here. And also fly with friends. That's very, very important. Luffy is flying higher with the other birds. And Noah is flying with 3 blue and gold, 1 green wing. Luffy is over there, chased by a seabird. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, it's not falcon. It's falcon?
It's falcon.
What? You think it's a falcon?
Yeah.
Why? I thought it's only a seabird.
Because it came from there.
Oh.
All our birds was here. It was big. Long tail and
Yeah, it's big.
very sharp.
But I thought falcon like dive very quick from the high sky, right? But this one, I just saw he was chasing Luffy, but not doing that. But he was trying to attack.
Yes.
At the beginning, I thought it's a crow. I said, but actually it's not. But Luffy, okay. Luffy good, huh? Falcon approved.
Falcon certified.
Yeah, Falcon certified. Luffy's good. Luffy's back. This is our first time to see a falcon here in this site. Lucky for Luffy that he got away, and most probably because the falcon is still young. He doesn't know how to capture bird, I guess. I'm not sure if we're gonna come here anymore because for medium-sized bird like Luffy, African Grey, it's really risky to fly with place that you have the sight of falcon. 这个地方，哎呀，我们也是第一次在这儿见到隼。刚才路飞被隼追，我没看出来是隼，我以为是乌鸦呢。后来他们跟我说有一只 falcon， 有一只隼在追路飞，我赶紧冲过去。后来会有一个菲律宾人过来，他说他看到那只 falcon 那只隼飞走了，路飞没事回来了，就毫发无伤，但是实际上还是很大风险。我也不确定后面会不会来这个点飞，因为对中型来说，你这个隼来了，那真的致死率还是非常高的。就算这次躲过了，你也不能每次都躲过，对吧？这是常在河边走的，而不是斜的，没办法。 但今天就到这儿吧。So this is it for today. I'll see you next Wednesday, I guess. We have a new site. Okay. You can give us some thumbs up and subscribe. Will be highly appreciated. And leave your comment down below to tell us your thoughts. See you next time. Bye bye.